welcome back to my channel. So for today's video is going to be another monthly unboxing, and this is going to be the Battle of the Beauty subscription boxes, and this month is going to be July's Boxycharm or Ipsy versus Boxycharm unboxing. This is going up a little bit late as usual. Today is the 22nd. I'm going to try to have it up sometime later today, if not tomorrow. But yeah, I'm excited to see what I received in this month's Ipsy and Boxycharm. If you guys have subscribed to Boxycharm, let me know, or Ipsy, let me know down below in the description box what you guys received in this month's boxes. And yeah, if you guys like unboxing and Battle of the Beauty subscription boxes, then give this video a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and down below. If you guys want to see what I received in both my Ipsy and Boxycharm, then let's just go ahead and get started. Okay, so as usual, I'm going to start off with Ipsy first, and then I'm going to end the video with Boxycharm. And then I'm also going to compare the prices for both of these boxes towards the end of the video. As always, I always include the full size value of the product from the Ipsy bag, because I never know what the sample prices are, or the deduct sample prices are, or whatever. But I always include the full size sample or the full size prices for the Ipsy product, so the overall value for this month's box or this month's bag will be the full size one. And then I always include whatever is in my Boxycharm, the almost always full size. Okay, so like I said, we're gonna start off with Ipsy, and mine first feels a little heavy. Okay, so this month's bag looks like this. I really love it. It's more, I don't know if it shows up on camera, but it's more of a greenery green, if that makes sense. But I really love the design of this one. It's so pretty, and it has like a peachy coral detailing as a zipper, so I really love the bag. I'm gonna go ahead and open up the bag and see what we received in this month's bag. So as always, Ipsy has a little pamphlet that has all of the products that we received in this month's bag. I like the way that they actually changed it, because it actually tells you what products you guys are going to receive in your bag, as well as how to use it. The only thing is that they don't tell you the retail value for each of the products. This is what it looks like, and this month's theme is called, or is Dive In. So very perfect for the summer, kind of matches my shirt. Alright, so this is what the inside of the bag looks like, and then once you can go ahead and dig in. Okay, so the first thing I grab is this one from London, and this is the Watermelon Burst Hydrating Primer. Ooh, this is exciting. So this is what the product looked like. It looks so cool. I've never tried a scented primer before, so I'm excited to try this one out. It smells really good. Oh, very liquid, if you guys can see that. Let me go ahead and apply too much. So obviously you're not gonna apply that much on your face, or maybe you will, but I applied a little too much on the back of my hand. But this is what it looks like. It feels really hydrating, so I'm excited to try this out. I really love the London product because the quality is really good. So I'm excited to try this one out. And if I do end up liking it, I may end up purchasing the whole or the full size product. Okay, next up is this one from... Ooh. Hey guys, I meant to say The Balm Cosmetics and not Benefit Cosmetics. Benefit Cosmetics. Oh, I actually reviewed this, or not reviewed it, talked about this in one of my new makeup release video. Don't worry you guys, if you guys missed my new makeup release video, I will be starting to go back to filming those in next couple of days. I was just trying to get back into the swing of things and filming and all that, with all the cloudy weather that we've been having here in South Carolina, and with me being so tired from my first semester in pregnancy. So now that I'm not in my first semester anymore and I'm in my second semester, I'm not as tired as I was. Okay, so like I was saying, this is the What's the Tea Iced Tea Eyeshadow, and like I said, I talked about this in my new makeup releases video a couple of weeks ago, or a couple of new makeup releases videos ago, and I've always wanted to try this out. So I don't know if you guys can see that, but that is what the packaging looks like. And I actually got one of the shades from the eyeshadow palette, and this is the shade The Rundown. So this is what the eyeshadow looked like. I'm gonna lower the ISO because it's a little bright in here. Okay, so like I was saying, I got one of the shades from the palette, and I got the shade The Rundown. So this is what the shadow looks like, and I'm just gonna go ahead and swatch it in the back of my hand. Ooh, very pigmented and very buttery. So this would go really well if you guys do like a smoky eye look. Perfect for the fall, but it can also be perfect for like a summer night out during the summer. So really love that. I think it's super pigmented, super beautiful, and I like the way how it feels. So I'm excited to try this one out. Okay, next up is from Cosmetics, and this is a DuPont. Right, so this is something new, and I've never actually heard of this brand before, and I got the shade Utopia, so I'm gonna go ahead and check this out. It sounds very interesting. Ooh, okay. So this is what the actual packaging looks like, and I don't know what this is supposed to be. I have to look this up. So maybe it is a highlighter because it looked to be like a highlighter shade. I don't know if you guys can see that, but it looks beautiful. So I'm excited to try this out. I'm gonna go ahead and swatch it for you guys. Feels very creamy, and then it's more on the sheer side. I actually have to just look it up to see what this actually is. It has a scent to it. It's just a tiny bit of a scent, but not overwhelming. So this was designed, by the way, in Montreal, and this is supposed to be cruelty-free, paraben-free, and yeah. You know what? Actually, I think it's in the card over here. It's the Ipsy Cosmetics DuPont in Utopia. It has the texture of this pearl pink highlighter. Feels just like a pomade, as in for hair. So it goes on ultra smooth and blends easily. It's made with fine shimmer that enhances every skin tone. Plus, it's long lasting and doesn't feel the least bit heavy or sticky on your skin. Okay, so it is a cream highlighter. So I'm gonna go ahead and play around with it. I've never worked with cream highlighters before, so I'm excited to try that product out. I can't talk today. So we have two more products in the bag. Next one is from the brand Feel, and this is the Palo Santo Smoothing Mask. So let me go ahead and read what this is about. So it says the Feel Mindful Palo Santo Soothing Mask is a brand that believes that skincare has the potential to change your world, and they're not wrong. This mask is infused with energy-clearing Palo Santo essentials, adaptogenic mushroom, lavender, and chamomile to help soothe and calm sensitive skin. Ooh, that sounds pretty exciting. Might even blend it a little bit, but this is what the product looks like. So this is exciting. I've been using a lot of masks lately. I'm gonna open it up and see what it is. I have so many masks that I want to try out, but I actually have to first see if this is safe for me to use during pregnancy, ingredient wise. It smells good. So that's what it looks like, and then I'm just gonna go ahead and blend that out. Interesting. So I'm excited to try that out and see what it's all about. Again, I'm gonna look up the ingredients to make sure that the ingredients are safe for me to use for my pregnancy. Alright, we have one more product in the bag, and it is bubble wrap. Okay, so very exciting. I don't know what this is. I actually rarely look up the previews or sneak peeks for Ipsy products, so Ipsy always surprises me. Ooh, this is from Pacifica. I love Pacifica products. So this is the Pacifica Bronze Rose and Coconut Infused Blush and bronzer. So I really love the packaging on this, and yeah, I think it's super cute, very summery looking. And I'm gonna go ahead and pop this open so we can see what it's about. Ooh, I love that one. This is so cute, you guys. Very cute. I love the shade of this. Okay, so this is very interesting. So these are what the shade looks like, and I'm gonna go ahead and swatch. Oh, it feels very buttery already. So these are what they look like, and then I'm just gonna go ahead and swatch it. Okay, so the bronzer is a little bit light. You guys can see that I swatched it right there. The bronzer looks a little bit light, but it's swatched okay. I'm gonna go and test this out in one of those new makeup, testing out new makeup videos, and I'll let you guys know how it is. But overall, the feel of it feels good. I don't know how well it's gonna swatch on the skin, but I'll try this out for you guys and we'll see together how it is. Alright, so we got the Ipsy product down. We're gonna go ahead and move on to the product in this month's Boxycharm. So I'm excited to unbox this month's Boxycharm because the shape of it is different, so that means that we're probably receiving an object or an item that is of a longer shape than normal, because normally it's more of a square shape and smaller. So we'll see what we received in this month's box. By the way, I meant to tell you guys, I forgot to tell you in the beginning that what Ipsy is about. Ipsy is a $10 monthly beauty subscription where you get about 4 to 5, sometimes 4. I know the Pacifica one is definitely a full-size one, but you can get about 4 to 5, sometimes full-size products, sometimes deluxe sample products, sometimes regular sample products, or sometimes travel-size products. And normally the bag is always worth more than the actual monthly subscription itself. So I will have both of these linked to both Boxycharm and Ipsy down below in the description box if you guys want to subscribe. Now that we are up to Boxycharm, Boxycharm is a $21 monthly beauty subscription where you get about 4 to 5 full-size products each month, and the value of the box is always worth more than the actual subscription itself. Okay, so anyway, this month's theme is called Au Natural. So mine's a little bent. So this is what the card looks like, and this is the only difference from Boxycharm and Ipsy in terms of the card. Both Ipsy and Boxycharm list down all of the products and how to use them, but Boxycharm actually lists down the full retail value for each of the products. Very, very helpful. Alright, so the first thing, by the way, this is what the box looks like, and then the first thing that I see over here that I got. Alright, so the first thing in the box was this one. This is actually a $10 off for your Ultra Skin Bar, and it says ready for a flash facial. So this is good for between July 7th and August 3rd. And then it says visit an Ulta Beauty near you for a custom element face facial. So you can either do the Insta Glow with Superfood or the Insta Firm with Pearl Collagen. Very exciting. So this is what the card looks like. So I'm excited to make use of this and see how it is. And speaking of elements, we do have an elements product in this month's box, and this is what it looks like. Really like the packaging on this. Okay, so this is the Element Superfood Vital Veggie Mask. So this says it's a nourishing prebiotic green mask, and yeah, this is very exciting. I've never used anything from Element. I know that Madison Miller uses Element a lot and she raves about it so much. So this one retails for $35. So it says get a shot of green goodness with this treatment mask that nourishes, smooths, and brightens for a softer, smoother, more radiant skin. So again, this retails for $35, and I am excited to try it. I'm gonna do maybe like a mask video with my daughter Elizabeth. I do have another mask that I wanted to try out. We've done videos together like in math and all that. So yeah, I'll keep you guys posted on this one, but I'm excited to try this out. Okay, next up is this one from Luxie. So this is the Luxie Gaia 3-piece brush set, and this retails for $30. This is what the packaging looks like, and I like the packaging of this actually. It's like a recycled paper. So very, very cool. And it does come with 3 brushes. This one looks more of like a blending brush, and if you guys can see that. And then this one is actually a foundation brush, but you can actually use this to apply masks such as these ones. So let me actually tell you what this one is. This is the Luxie 530 foundation brush, and then this one was the Luxie 250 large eye blending brush, and then this tiny one is the Luxie 246 precision crease brush. Ooh, I like this one. This one is actually going to be good for packing out what do you call it, shade all over your lid, or you can actually use this to maybe to cover your brows or something. I'm excited to use these brushes. I think they're really, really pretty. I love the way these handles are. I'm gonna show you guys enough. But the handles on these brushes looks really beautiful, and the feel of it looks feels really good. So excited to try these out. Alright, next up in the box is this one from Appeal Cosmetics, and this is the gel liner in Deep Taupe. So this one retails for $21. So this is what the product looks like. Very exciting, and I'm gonna attempt to try to open this for you guys. Alright, so this is what it looks like, and then I'm gonna go ahead and swatch it. Ooh, it feels very creamy. I think this will go really well when creating like a smoky eye with the eyeshadow that we received in Ipsy. So very exciting. I've never really owned a taupe shade of eyeliner, so I'm excited to try this out. I think this will go really smoothly, or apply really smoothly along your waterline. Excited to try this out. And then we have 2 more products in the box. Another eyeshadow palette. Boxycharm has been killing it. So this one is from Butter London, and this is their Butter London Natural got this eyeshadow palette, and this retails for $32. The packaging on this one is so pretty. So this is what the packaging looks like, and then when you open it up, it does have a mirror and it has all these shades on here. It's very excited to try these out. I'm gonna go ahead and swatch these shades for you guys so you guys can see what it looks like. Alright, so I swatched the shades. Okay. I swatched the shade in the back of my hand. I don't know if you guys can see that. I should have went further out. But these are what the shades look like. They all look very pigmented and felt very buttery when I was swatching them in the back of my arm. I am excited to try these out. The gold one, the first shade towards my elbow, Diva, looks so gorgeous. Really love the shades of this. Obviously, there's really nothing natural about this one, but you can definitely create a natural look if you guys want to. Really love the packaging on this again, and I like the fact that it comes with a mirror, so I'm excited to try this one out. And I don't remember if I told you guys the price, but the price for this one is $32. Okay, last up in the box is this one from Over Cosmetic. I love receiving Over Cosmetic liquid lipstick because they're probably one of my favorite formulas for liquid lipstick. This is the Over Long Lasting Liquid Lipstick in the shade, well, this retails by the way for $20, and this is in the shade Santorini. Oh, I really like this shade. Very beautiful. I'm gonna go ahead and swatch this, and it smells amazing. Alright, so that is what the shade looked like when swatched. Really love it. I think this is going to be perfect for the summer, so I am excited for this one, and I'm excited to create a look with all of these products minus the mask, of course. But those are all of the products that I received in this month's box. I'm gonna go ahead and go off camera and calculate the retail value for this month's Boxycharm, and we'll compare the prices for both Ipsy and Boxycharm. Okay, so I calculated the overall value for this month's box, and this month's box is worth $138. So that is a pretty dang good price for only paying $21 a month for Boxycharm. Again, if you guys are subscribers to either or both Boxycharm and Ipsy, let us know in the comments down below what you guys received in this month's box. Did you guys love your box? Did you hate it? Did you wish you got something else? I would really love to hear from you guys. But yeah, I'm so excited to try out all of these products I received in both Ipsy and Boxycharm. I really love all of the products that I received in both these boxes. I'm super excited to try them out. But yeah, again, that completes this video. Give this video a thumbs up if you guys enjoyed, and yeah, thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.